Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zafan. So today we will present the group presentation for our group project Digital Healthcare System, presented by group A10. So our first team members is me myself, Muhammad Zafan BS Madi. Mention number is 303321. The second group member is Nur Alia Amirah binti Muhammad Noor. Mention number 304966. The third group member is Aina Natasha binti Muhammad Zahir. Matric number is 305279. The fourth team members is Nur Fadlin Nasrin binti Muhammad Nazri. Matric number is 294330. And the last team member is Haikal Hazim bin Muhammad Idris. Matric number is 303314. I will pass to the next presenter.
So let's look at the organizational context. The UEM Health Center is the main clinic for our campus, taking care of over 30,000 students and staff every day. It is a very busy environment. However, the clinic still relies heavily on paper-based record and manual work, which slows down the operation. So this digital healthcare project changes that. By moving from paper to a digital system, we solve three main problems. First, we save time. A digital system cuts down long wait times and makes the clinic much more efficient. Second, we reduce mistake. Staff can find patient info instantly, which means fewer errors. Third, we improve security. It provides better privacy, better data accuracy, and smoother care for everyone. In short, this project is not just about getting new software, it is a necessary upgrade to protect data and give 30,000 campus users the fast, modern healthcare experience they deserve. Next, let's look at how the problem shows up in our daily workflow. So as you can see from the timeline at the bottom of the slide, a patient must go through a slow 6-step manual process. The biggest bottlenecks happen right in the middle, during paper file retrieval and waiting for handwritten prescription. So this paper-based system hurts our operation in three main ways. First, it causes major service delay. Manual file searches and paper handling slow down registration, leading to long queue at the pharmacy. Second, it creates high risk. Scattered paper files lead to data privacy issue, and hard-to-read handwriting can cause dangerous prescription error. Third, it places a heavy strain on our people. Doctor, pharmacists, and clinic staff waste valuable time on manual paperwork instead of focusing on patient care. So, with over 30,000 campus users affected, the evidence is clear. We have a strong justification to move away from this broken, paper-based flow and transition to a centralized digital solution.
For this project, we are following a predictive or waterfall approach. Why? Because the requirements are clear and stable from the start. The university's own processes favor a structured phase delivery, and this system can be built step by step, which reduces risk and keeps us on track. We've mapped out our timeline across these key phases, and we're currently on schedule to hit our milestone. With the sunny weather outside, it's a good day to stay focused and move forward. Our business case is simple: replace paper with a fully digital system. The benefits are compelling: 40% less waiting time for patients, 35% less admin work for staff, zero prescription errors, and over 80% patient satisfaction. All of this for 150,000 ringgit. We are covering software, cloud, hardware, and training. We look at alternatives. Buying off the shelf is fast, but expensive and rigid. Building our own takes more time, but it fits our needs perfectly. That's the path we recommend. This is our project charter, the document that gives us the green light to begin. We are building a digital healthcare system for the UUM Health Center. In scope, we're delivering electronic health records, online booking, e-prescriptions, pharmacy inventory, patient portal, queue management, and reporting. Key stakeholders include the Dean of School of Computing as our sponsor, the health center head, staff, patients, and our project team. We're assuming cloud infrastructure is available, and we're working within a 115,000 ringgit budget and a 24-week timeline. starting June 2026, ending November 2026. What are the top risks? Data security, staff adoption, and technical challenges, all of which we have planned for. With the team's approval, we're ready to move forward.
Next, I will explain the scope definition and work breakdown structure or WBS for our digital healthcare system project. The project scope includes 6 core modules: electronic health records, online appointment booking, e-prescription management, patient portal, queue management, and pharmacy inventory management. This module was selected to address key operational issues such as long waiting time, manual record handling, inefficient appointment management, and prescription errors. Features such as telemedicine service, billing and payment system, dental clinic management, and external healthcare integration are excluded to ensure the project remains achievable within the approved budget and timeline while reducing project complexity and risk. On the right is the work breakdown structure, which divides the project into 7 major phases: initiation, planning, analysis and design, development, testing, deployment and training, and closure. The WBS help organize project activities into manageable work package, making it easier to allocate resource, monitor progress, and ensure successful project delivery. Moving on to estimation and schedule planning. To estimate the project effort and duration, we use 2 methods: analogous estimation and bottom-up estimation. Analogous estimation uses information from similar healthcare projects to provide an initial estimate of cost, effort, and duration. To improve accuracy, bottom-up estimation was also applied by estimating each work package individually before combining them into the overall project estimate. Based on this estimation, the project is planned to be complete within 24 weeks. Several key milestones have been identified, including project charter approval, planning completion, development completion, user acceptance testing, system deployment, and project closure. The simplified Gantt chart shows how project activities are scheduled across the 24 weeks timeline and help the team monitor progress effectively. Lastly, I will explain the budget plan and resource responsibility planning. The total project budget is 150,000. Most of the budget is allocated to personnel costs, while the rest is used for the software and tools, infrastructure, training, and contingency expense. To ensure the project runs smoothly, responsibilities are assigned using a ratchet approach. The project manager oversees the project and budget. The business analysis handles requirements. The planning lead manages scope, WBS, estimation, and scheduling. Risk and quality lead manage project risk and quality, and the communication lead handles stakeholder communication. By assigning clear responsibility, the team can work more effectively and reduce project risk. That concludes my presentation for section 5, covering scope, time, cost, and resource planning. That's all from me. Thank you.
Now I will continue with section 6, which cover risk, quality, stakeholders, and communication for our digital healthcare system project. First, let's look at the top project risks. The first is data security breaches because the system stores sensitive patient information. To reduce this risk, we will implement data encryption and access control so only authorized users can access patient records. The second risk is staff resistant. Since the health center is currently using a manual paper-based system, some staff may find it difficult to adapt it to the new digital system. To overcome this, we will provide training session and continuous user support. The third risk is technical challenges such as system errors or unexpected issues during implementation. We will minimize this risk through system testing and continuous monitoring before and after deployment. Next are our quality target. Our project aims to reduce patient waiting time by 40%, reduce administrative workload by 25%, eliminate prescription error through electronic prescription, and achieve more than 80% patient satisfaction. These targets are aligned with the Project Measurable Organization Value or MOV. Now let's move to the key stakeholders. The first stakeholder is the Dean of the School of Computing, who acts as the project sponsor. Finally, for our communication plan, the project team will hold weekly meeting to discuss progress and current tasks. The health center will receive bi-weekly update, while the project sponsor will receive a monthly progress report. Before the system is deployed, we will also conduct user training to ensure that all users understand how to use the new system effectively.
My name is Muhammad Zafran and I will continue the presentation. Control and monitoring. To maintain the project control, we implement a formal change control process. Any requested change must first be submitted and analyzed for its impact on the project scope, schedule, budget, and risk. Minor changes can be approved by the project manager, while major changes require approval from the change control board. The progress is tracked continuously through weekly meetings, Gantt chart monitoring, milestone reviews, budget tracking, and risk assessments. Quality is also monitored through testing reports and user acceptance testing activities. A sample status report shows that the project is currently on track. Approximately 85% of work complete and 125,000 ringgit of the 150,000 ringgit budget utilized. User acceptance testing achieved a satisfaction rate of 95%, while only a minor training delay has been identified as the manageable risk. Overall, the project remains within the scope and is progressing according to plan. That's all from me. I will give to the next presenter.
Now I will present section 8, which is implementation, post-implementation review, and lesson learned. First is implementation and handover. Our system will start with a pilot test, followed by system checking. After that, the system will be fully used at the UUM Health Center, and we will continue to monitor it. We will also provide user manuals, training session, and technical support to help users use the system. Next is the post-implementation review or PIR. PIR is carried out to check whether the project has achieved its goal. We will measure if patient waiting time is reduced by 40%, staff workload by 25%, prescription errors are reduced, and patient satisfaction reach more than 80%. Lastly, these are our key recommendations for future improvement. We will recommend continuous user training, regular security check, developing a mobile application, and improving the system based on user feedback. That's all from me. Thank you.
So let's look at our final recommendation. Our decision today is clear goal. We recommend moving forward with this digital clinic system immediately, and we have three strong reasons why. These reasons are based on value, feasibility, and risk. First, the project aligns perfectly with our MOV. It directly reduces patient wait times, cut down the heavy admin workload, and prevent dangerous paper-based prescription error. Second, we do not need to launch everything at once. We can deliver the system in safe phases, beginning with a small, controlled pilot to ensure success. Third, we can fully control potential issues through clear staff training, thorough testing, and close monitoring. In short, this transition is valuable, low risk, and ready to go. Let's approve this project today and begin the modernization of our campus clinic. Thank you.